How to fix iPhone update freeze with the message verifying update. So if you are encountering the verifying update stuck issues on iOS 18 after an overnight attempt, can be frustrating. So here is a guide that you can try to resolve it. The first step is try to restart your iPhone. So this is often the quickest fix for software glitches. Now on the iPhone 8 or later, you can press and release and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. So up, then down, and then press and hold on the side button to until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. So this will force restart the iPhone. So up, down, and then press and hold on the side button. Now continue to hold, and continue to hold until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. Okay, so now that the phone is turning off, and give it a few seconds. Once you see the Apple logo appear on the screen, let go of the button. Now wait for the phone to restart. Okay, step number 2 is to check your internet connection. Now, even though it started overnight, a temporary internet interruption could have caused the verification to stall. So ensure that your Wi-Fi is stable and try to restarting your router and then re-update your software. Now, if you are using cellular data, make sure you have a strong and reliable connections. Any interruption can cause your update to stall and freeze. Next, number 3 is to check Apple system status. Sometimes Apple servers might have issues, so visit the Apple system status page. So you can go to Google and search for Apple system status on your web browser to see if there is any reported outages. If that still does not work and you still have issues, you may want to check your iPhone storage. If you have insufficient storage, it can cause update issues. So you can go into settings. So here we go into settings and then general. So we tap on general and then we go down to iPhone storage. Here, make sure you have enough storage. If your storage is full, you can try to remove large file size or videos or photos on your phone and reduce the storage and have some free space enough for you to update your software. Now, after that, if it still does not work, you can try to delete the iOS update and try again. So go to settings, and in settings, we go back to the My Settings menu, then go down and tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Now in here, sometimes after the download, it will show the iPhone updates in here. So you want to find the iOS 18 update file in the list. At the moment, I have not downloaded, so it does not show, but it should show somewhere at the top here. So look for the update file in the list and then tap on it. Then tap on delete update. And then after, you're going to go back. You want to go back to settings, general, then tap on software update. And from here, tap on the update now button or update tonight button to update your software again. If it still doesn't work, another thing that you can do is to plug your phone into a computer. It can be a Mac computer or Windows computer, and then try to open up iTunes or Finder. So if you are on a Mac, use Finder. On a PC, open up iTunes and then try to update via the iTunes software. And that's it. So give it a try. And thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.